Hey, what's up? It's your girl Krissy and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I maintain, moisturize, and style my hair when it's straight. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so it's about my third week wearing my hair straight. It's starting to get frizzy and a little dry. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I moisturize my hair, both my ends and my scalp. Okay, to moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using the TGIN Argan Oil Replenishing Serum. It's a good affordable option to make sure that your hair is moisturized, but not way down your hair so it's heavy and streaky. So I'm just going to take a little, about one pump at a time, and I'm going to moisturize my scalp. Then after I moisturize my scalp, I'm going to focus on my ends. For me, it doesn't really matter what brush you use, but this is the one I'm using. I do recommend though that you use a brush or comb with like wide teeth before you use like a rat tail comb, and then start from your ends and then go from your scalp to your ends. So the first way I maintain my hair at night is by wrapping it. So you want to pull all your hair down and forward, and you want to kind of like brush it in a circular motion. I like to hold my hand there so that it doesn't fall. Then after I finish with this brush, I like to go in and tighten and flatten everything with a regular brush. Wrapping is probably the best option if you don't want any type of curl to your hair. If you just want to keep it bone straight, this is probably the best option. So after I go over it with the other brush, I'm going to secure it with some pins, and then I'm going to secure it with my scarf. This is optional, but sometimes I like to turn my scarf in the direction that I wrap my hair just to smooth everything and flatten everything down. The second way I like to maintain my hair when it's straight is to pin curl it. So I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to take a small section of my hair, and then I'm going to use my fingers to kind of curl my hair up and secure it with a pin. So I hope that makes sense. I'm going to comb it out with the rat tail comb. I'm going to use both fingers starting from the bottom to kind of curl my hair going upward, and then I'm going to secure that curl with a pin. My last way is to do flexi rod sets. With this, you can do them however you like. If you want to just do them to the ends, or you want to flexi rod your whole hair, that's completely up to you. Just part your hair the way that you want to part it and add your flexi rods. And that is it. That is how I maintain my hair when it is blown out. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.